Alright, let's be real. Who doesn't want to make money fast? Imagine someone tells you invest 1 lakh today and you will get 10,000 rupees every month for the next 10 months. Sounds tempting, right? Easy money, no hard work. But think about it. If making money was that simple, wouldn't everyone be rich already? Despite hearing about scams in the news, so many people still fall for them. Is it greed or just the hope for a better life? Paying off loans, sending kids to good schools, or retiring without financial stress. Who wouldn't want that? Scammers know exactly how to take advantage of these dreams. They promise the world, gain your trust, and then poof, they disappear with your money. Let's talk about how these scams work and more importantly, how to protect yourself before it's too late. So, how do these scams work? Most investment scams are just Ponzi schemes in disguise. So, here's how they work. You invest money expecting high returns. But instead of actual profits, they use money from new investors to pay the earlier ones. It looks like a working system at first. People start believing it's real. They even tell their friends and family, bringing in more investors. But here's the catch. There's no actual investment, no real business, just money moving around in a giant financial illusion. Then one day, the new investors stop coming in. The entire thing collapses. And guess who's left with nothing? The ones who invested last. The ones who trusted too much. So, how do you avoid falling for these scams? Watch out for these red flags. Red flag number 1. Exclusive invitation only meetings. Ever been invited to a private business opportunity at a luxury hotel? Fancy presentations, expensive buffets, and people flashing their success stories? They tell you this is not for everyone. It's only for special people like you. That's how they make you feel important. Then they show you successful investors, people who claim they made crores and now travel the world. They say, just bring in a few more investors and you will make the same money. But here's the question. If this investment is so profitable, then why do they need your money? Why don't they just use their own money to grow? The truth is, real investments don't need secret meetings or recruitment schemes. If you ever find yourself in a room where they are making you do the recruiting, walk away. Red flag number 2. Social media manipulation. Ever seen an ad on Facebook or Instagram saying double your money in weeks or guaranteed 50% returns? These scams don't advertise in newspapers or on TV. Why? Because traditional media asks for proof. Instead, they flood social media with ads, flashy success stories, and paid influencers. Sometimes they even use celebrities, and people think if a famous person is talking about it, it must be legit. But here's the truth. Most of the time, these celebrities don't even know what they are endorsing. They are just reading a script. A real investment doesn't need viral marketing or social media tricks. If someone is trying too hard to convince you online, chances are it's a scam. Red flag number 3. Misleading investment promises. Some scams start with genuine financial advice. They talk about stocks, insurance, and long-term planning. You feel like you're learning something valuable. Then suddenly the pitch changes. Forget traditional investments. We guarantee 3% returns every month with a written contract. Sounds professional, right? But ask yourself, how are they promising guaranteed returns? Stock markets go up and down. Businesses take time to grow. No real investment can give you high fixed returns without risk. So why are they claiming otherwise? Because it's all a trap. They build your trust first and then use it to sell you a fantasy. If someone guarantees high profits with zero risk, that's your cue to leave. Red flag number 4. Unusual banking transactions. Imagine this. You have made your first investment. Everything looks professional. Then one day they tell you, going forward, please deposit into this new account. Sounds like a small change, right? Maybe they say it's due to maintenance or an audit. But here's the real reason. Fraudulent accounts get flagged and frozen by the Reserve Bank of India. When regulators start catching on, scammers move their money elsewhere to stay ahead. It's a classic game of cat and mouse. And guess what? you're the bait. Legitimate companies don't constantly change their bank details. They have proper records, follow financial regulations, and operate transparently. So ask yourself, why so many account changes? What's happening behind the scenes? Is it just a routine update, or are they preparing to vanish? Your money is being transferred through a web of ever changing accounts. Can you really be sure where it's going? Can you be sure it's safe? A real investment should come with stability, not secrecy. Red flag number 5, unrealistic interest returns. Here's a simple rule: if someone guarantees more than 12% fixed returns, be skeptical. Even the RBI warns against such promises. Think about it. If banks, mutual funds, or even the biggest investors aren't offering 36% yearly returns, why is this company claiming they can? If it was real, wouldn't everyone be investing? Wouldn't financial institutions be rushing to get in? The truth, they don't, because it's a trap. No investment can give high fixed returns without extreme risk. Markets fluctuate, businesses have ups and downs. That's reality. So ask yourself, are they offering a real opportunity, or are they just playing with your greed? Your financial security isn't a gamble. Choose wisely. So, now that you know the warning signs, will you still take the risk? Before investing, verify everything. Check if the company is registered with RBI or SEBI, like Securities and Exchange Board of India. Don't rely on social media ads or WhatsApp forwards. Consult licensed financial experts who can guide you towards genuine investments. At the end of the day, your money is your responsibility. And remember, if an investment sounds too good to be true, it probably is. That's why working with a certified financial planner, CFP, is a smart move, because a CFP can help you assess genuine investment opportunities, manage risk effectively, build long-term wealth the right way. Instead of chasing get rich quick schemes, take the safer, smarter route to financial success. So if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family, because knowledge is the best defense against such scams. And if you want an expert advice on safe investing, click the link in the description for a free consultation with one of our certified financial planners today. Give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.
Can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.